The theme song of The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly, composed by Ennio Morricone, is one of cinema's most iconic scores. It features a distinctive melody that mimics a coyote's howl, blending whistling, electric guitar, trumpet, and choral elements to evoke the desolate yet tense atmosphere of the Wild West. The theme song of The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly is a fantastic piece to play on the piano, offering a dramatic and evocative experience. Its haunting melody, built on simple yet powerful motifs, translates beautifully to the piano, allowing players to capture the iconic whistling tune and the rhythmic, almost hypnotic accompaniment. The dynamic shifts and suspenseful phrasing make it enjoyable for performers of varying skill levels, while its association with the legendary film adds a cinematic flair. It's a timeless choice for any pianist looking to explore evocative and memorable music. Practicing the E minor scale is an excellent preparation before attempting the melody. Mastering the E minor scale will help with finger strength, coordination, and familiarity with the tonal structure of the melody. Pa sa sa pa sa pa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa sa pa sa pa pa sa sa pa sa pa sa pa ga ma sa pa sa pa ga ma ni pa sa pa ga ri sa ni pa sa pa ma sa sa. Ga pa ga ni 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 ga pa ga ni 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 ga pa ga ni pa ri ni ma pa ga ri sa ma ga ri sa ma ga ri sa ma ga ri sa ma sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa ni ni. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. Give the melody a try on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials.